Welcome back once again to another sandwich Saturday. Very, very simple but absolutely delicious. We're going to do mozzarella, basil, tomato, toastie. Absolutely wonderful. A little bit of black pepper, a little bit of salt, a little splash of olive oil and a little touch of dried oregano. This one is a firm favourite of mine. Okay, 4 slices of bread that you can see that I've lightly buttered, and that's going to be the outside, so we can flip those over, can't we? Now, let's get in some tomato. Try and cut it nice and thin. Thinner the better, I find. Let's get in some of the mozzarella. And this mozzarella, you know, is kind of in a bag of water. You can get it, you know, you can get it, it's kind of like a big block, which is kind of a bit more for sort of cooking. There's not really mozzarella, I suppose. But yeah, this is in a bag with water. You have to drain that water off. This is much softer and nicer, if you ask me. So let's give it a little bit of oregano or oregano, whatever you call that. Let's go with some black pepper, a little bit of salt, and then some fresh basil leaves, or basil, as my friends across the Atlantic say. So delicious. Little drizzle of olive oil, I like that in there. And that is it. So tops on, and we're going to go butter side up. Butter side up. Let's go to your sandwich maker or your grill. Okay, so I've got my sandwich maker or flat press, whatever you want to call that. I like it on maximum heat. We're going to drop those on. We're going to close it. We're going to come back in 3 to 4 minutes, depending on what type of grill that you have or maker that you have. But you know what we're looking for. See you then. Okay, let's jump in and take a look. We're 4 minutes in. Oh my goodness. I'm in love. I am in love. Look at those. Fantastic. You can see that mozzarella cheese is melting just nicely there. Let's get these cut open. Beautifully toasty. Super hot. Let's get in there. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Let's do that other one. Really simple, super easy, super tasty. Hope you enjoy that. This is just incredible, fantastic. Hope you enjoy that, and we'll see you again. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and all that stuff. See you later.